Let's see what's behind this box. It's Keely! Oops. Come on, babe, I need you to come out of here now because I'm going to be changing your bedding. Oh, there's quite a lot of that. Jeez. Got loads of it. Come on, babe. I know. Look how many zip ties you got in here. Come on, sweetie, let me move you out. You know what, I'm not going to touch you. I'm just going to transport you. It's like you're flying. Okay. Change hands. How many zip ties you got in there? Hey? You made a real nest out of all that, haven't you? Put you over here for a second. Down there. Oh, just had a massive poo in the eggs. With the eggs. Oh, you're stretching. Yeah. You want to go for a bit of a fly? I'll look after your eggs for the meantime, okay? Look at all these zip ties. One hell of a nest. Look at all them. All specifically placed in there to comfort and make sure that the eggs are positioned in the middle. That's a really lovely nest, that is. I'm so proud of you, babe. Really proud of you. You're doing a really good job. I'm so proud. Look at all that. It takes time, that does. And after all that, Kev goes back inside with yet another zip tie. But the nest isn't there anymore. So you're going to have to wait about 10 minutes, bud, till I change everything over. Yep. It's not there. Where's it gone? It's out here. Do you think you can keep that balance in your mouth for 10 minutes, bud? I don't think you can. I've seen you before. You normally drop it over the first 30 seconds. Oop. We'll see. Look how proud he is, holding it high. So, yeah, I got a really good zip tie here. Really good one. Come on, bud, I'm going to be moving all the zip ties out anyway. Oops. Oh, for God's sake. Nope. Oh, careful. Just place it down there, but not in the poo. Come on. Just put it down. There you go. I can. I'm usually in a position where I need to do something, but I end up watching these birds instead because they're just so cute and amusing. Look at them. Come on, bud, you can fly out. Fly out. Nope, no, not in. That's alright, I'll have to stop the video now anyway. Come on, bud. I'll give you some bit of space. Go on. No, I'm going to be pulling out anyway. I literally just got Kev out of the cage and she flies, lands on my shoulder as he's coming out. So watch him come out. I grab my camera to try and make a video of her on my shoulder, and then she flies in the cage and he comes out. So, trying to make them stay out of the cages is a complete nightmare at the moment. Not trying to scare them, but I'm trying to clear everything out. No, she doesn't get it. Go on, babe. Because I don't want them pooing on that cardboard over there. They haven't really spent any time on that area. Underneath the cage. But underneath the thing. Oh, don't slap it. I'm just trying to... Hey. I'm just trying to get it to move you. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to hurt you. Oh, she's become aggressive. Don't have a poo on that because I can't clean that area. Oh, come on, I need you out of the cage because if you poo on the area underneath the cage, it's going to leave a smell. Come on, sweetie. I'm not trying to hurt you. I'm not trying to hurt you. I'm trying to move you. There you go. That'll do. That'll do. Oh, no. Come on. Don't you slap it now. Just need you to turn around. There you go. Fly out. Fly out of the cage. Come on. Come on, babe. Stay confused. No, don't go that way. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Oh, God. A simple job as just changing the cage over can take half an hour to do when they're like this. Just for me to be able to get them out of the cage. John, look for your eggs. They're behind me. Good. You're out of the cage. You're out of the cage. Come on, babe. Scoot over. Scoop. There you go. Phew. And it'll be another minute before she gets back in the cage again. Isn't that right? You're already looking at... No, see? Oh, should have taken the opportunity and just closed it. She's like, no, there's still seed in here. There's still seed in here. I don't want to leave yet. Well, after about half an hour of fighting around with them, I was finally able to get them both situated back in the nest again. Yeah, literally some of the cutest creatures I've ever seen. I love it when they go.